Next up, news. Success Awardees. Let's welcome Businesswoman, Chairwoman of Leote Health and Beauty Product, Carol. Congratulations. Next up, let's welcome the four-seasoned online blogger, Jojo Panaligan. Moving on, let's welcome right now journalist and editor, Arlo Castillo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm round of applause. Please come forward, step forward for a group picture. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Ma'am from Miss Flawless Skincare to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. At bagamat na gabi na po ay kaya kaunti-kaunti lang pong message ang aking sasabihin. At inaabot din po ng aking anak ang lubos na pasasalamat kay Sir Richard. Sir Richard,